Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into the ECT sensor, or Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor. This small but crucial part of your engine management system helps your car run efficiently and stay healthy. We'll cover how it works, signs it might be failing, and how to fix or replace it yourself. Let's get started. The ECT sensor, or the Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor, is an engine management system sensor that is used to monitor the temperature of the engine's coolant. The primary ECT sensor is installed near the thermostat, in the cylinder head or block, or on the thermostat housing. A faulty ECT sensor can result in a rough idle. You may have trouble starting your car and find your engine is overheating. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the ECT sensor related error codes. Remove the ECT sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with the test on the ECT sensor. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the sensor resistance is between 2000 ohms to 3000 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. However, if the ECT sensor has a correct reading, then we will proceed method B. After replacing the sensor, clear any error codes with your skin tool and test drive your car to ensure everything's working perfectly. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the ECT sensor, how it works, what goes wrong, and how to fix it. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what car maintenance topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.